Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. I know a long time I'm gonna get one video from me, but my sister I'm active over the family channel, and me and my niece there now because her mommy is in the kitchen. Watch out, as so fast the sun a travel, Adiana. My sister sun in your face. You ready to comb my ear? So guys, I'm gonna comb her ear. But you know what? Let me go in the living room. Come Addy. Hey, Adiana. Well, Lucy gone to church and Lovell in the kitchen and Jason soon come back. Alright, that's it. Guys, finally she asleep. So I can carry her back in, go put her down. Because Lovell, I do some stuff in her house. Guys, Adiana, fight is sleeping now. May I have to start walk with her? Look at me, look.
I fight sleep, girl. She need me now.
Adiana, fight the sleep. Anti-duties. Not sleep if you're asleep. Adiana. Not sleep if you're asleep. Adi. Adiana. Guys. We wake up so quick. Eddie, why you wake up so quick? Why you wake up so quick? Why you wake up so quick? You look a nap. See if I can put her back to bed. Go to sleep. Guys, this is not the sleep phase. Go to sleep, little baby, go to sleep. It's a work, guys? Nope, not work. Auntie Munchkin. Guys, this is my first time in bed. Yeah, come. Thanks, sir. This is my first time in bed up at Lovell and Lucy. Girl bathroom clean and smell fresh. Guys, up here cold, like outside cold. And I can just imagine the water. So I carry my camera just to get my reaction. I forget. Because if outside feels so, I can't imagine the water. But I go coffee. Wait. Guys, man, the water did cold, but it felt so good. I feel fresh and clean. So I make a bed Adiana and love it like a bed right now. So we can go up on the rug and eat some ice cream. You ready for bed? And come say mega comb my ear and me no comb me. Mega choose Adiana outfit for today and every little thing. Guys, we can do a little thing, you know. Remember me have be a niece and little sister. Practice, you know, practice. Wash up your neck. Guys, all me I do. You have to suck up your skin. Get strong.
Come for an outfit, she be carried for bath with you, you know.
I didn't know I'm gonna bad. Cause she just be up. Come, wash up your little back. Suck up your skin. You like that?
So they sap it back with cold water to make them strong.
Ah, okay.
That's all people say. That she kind of afraid of.
Oh, she afraid of
She afraid, yeah.
I'm not hurry up then. Just one last time. Guys, that was a workout. But she fresh. Ready? Alright, we're gonna look close now. This said she just nice. You cool? Come up, baby.
Guys, don't mind the clothes. Then clean.
Now
Just
hold
do
them
not
up
fold
when they're
them.
done. Stay warm. Wait, lovely, wear pampers before she pee.
See there?
Guys, rule number 1, don't delay. So guys, outfit of the day, I chose this. I love this. This cute, you know? The colors, them I just think you that look so cute when I never see her in this before.
No.
Oh, I love this. Look, chicken. Why? This is a workout. Lovell? Proud of you. You do a good job. Can you do this every day?
Every day.
Every day, mommy do this. Hold on. Take out your coffee. She hold on, banana. Hold on, the addy. Alright. Task number 1. Get out your finger them. No.
Go ahead and look at you.
Wait, the idea now. Alright. I did it.
I think the back of a
I got
button.
buttons. I put that one sock on.
Yeah.
Cool.
The same drawer.
You have socks to match it?
You
Or
put on.
pink? Oh, this is a headband. Wait, a headband or?
Yeah.
Well, let me put on the mirror. Yeah, the mirror will match.
Okay, I'll four, yeah.
No, wrong foot. Diana. Yeah, I like this. Well, I'm soon done. Just a clear up, don't. Just a take long. Hold on, I'm gonna go faster. Soon done. Soon. Look. Finish. Ah, why? Pretty son. Pretty son. Hi, pretty girl. Guys, we're eating dinner now. I love this to me and babe. Trust me. Nice shower. Nice food. Nice cereal. I love this to me and Jason.
No my style.
Amen. Food tastes nice, though.
Mm-hmm.
So we eat Barbie fried chicken, rice and peas, corn, and vegetable. So we're gonna eat and then we're gonna have ice cream. So soon come back.
Is corn a fruit or vegetable?
That's a very good question. I think that more for be a vegetable. We need to do that. I gotta do my research. Lucy,
Yeah?
corn a fruit or a vegetable?
That's a vegetable.
Me too.
Okay.
Love this soy. Guys, it'll get dark, but we're gonna buy ice cream now. See if we can get some of Jesse car like me couldn't see me. Then I put on Adiana sweater. Hey cutie pie. Adiana.
She love auntie.
Aww. I love her, you see? I love my little niece. Yeah, me see video. She a pop big reason with Lucy. Like just go up that song and we just go in. So guys, we're gonna buy some ice cream. Today was just fun and relaxing. Nah lie. Hear this? Lucy, you know what make there nice a cricket? Or frog?
Cricket. Also, my frog sometimes.
Or door never closed. So, let's go get some ice cream. Man, like, guys, today was just fun and relaxing. Lovell, dinner was good. Thank you so much. Lovell with the good Barbie fry.
Did I say?
Polyphone. You may enter. Guys, I love them, see? Thank you. You gotta bring them? Okay, bring them, I'll come. Thank you. So guys, Jason gonna bring Lovell and Lucy ice cream. So I have me and Jason ice cream. And it was raining, guys. So the place super cold. Babe, oatmeal for me. Hold on, remember me have 2 ice cream. Lucy, take one for Lovell. Whee! Oh God.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So everybody eat them ice cream. You know, so I used to love pistachio.
Watch ya. You know, so fast Lucy put on film.